Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to draw a cute monkey. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Okay.
First, draw a few simple lines like this to shape the monkey's body and position.
Okay.
Add the tree and branch. Draw the tree trunk and add some curved branches. Add leaves on the branch to make it look lively. Draw the grass. Sketch small patches of grass around the bottom of the tree.
Yes.
Draw the monkey. Start with the monkey's head. Add the face, ears, and eyes. Draw the arms and hands, making one hand hang from the branch.
Whoa!
Add the monkey's body, legs, and a curly tail. Add banana. Draw 2 bananas lying near the grass.
Nice.
Wow.
Draw another tree. On the opposite side, sketch another tree with branches and leaves.
Oh, nice.
Add butterfly. Draw 3 small butterflies fluttering around the monkey.
Nice.
Now it's time to color. I use yellow for the monkey's body.
Nice.
I use pink for the face and belly.
Nice.
I use light green for the grass patches. I use yellow for the bananas.
Nice.
I use maroon for the tree trunks and branches.
Awesome.
I use green for the leaves.
Nice.
Pew, 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 pew.
Oh yeah.
I use pink for the butterfly.
Nice.
Finally, I use light blue to fill in the background sky.
Whoa!
use a black marker to outline everything for a sharp and clean finish.
Wow.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring a cute monkey with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Hands Art on YouTube. And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye!